Hello everybody, Matteo here again. Today I welcome you my little RC garage to another unboxing of a new RC scale crawler. It's the brand new J45C from MST. It comes on the well-known CFX-w chassis and it's the second edition of this truck next to the JP1. First, let's see what's on the box. On the front there is a picture of the finished truck. In my opinion it looks awesome. And here you can see there are some upgraded steel universals for the front axle included in this edition. Good to know MST improved some weak parts from the first edition of this chassis. On the side of the box the chassis is shown. And here also it looks as the chassis configuration is slightly different. The red marked parts are new and it looks as the battery tray is on a new location. On the other side are some features explained. For example, the steel CVDs on the front axle, all metal gears, the planetary gearbox, full ball bearings, and the portal axles. But now let's open the box and see what's inside. First, the tires. It looks as these are the same as on the JP1. Here is a bag with body parts for the rear end of the body. Later in the video we will have a closer look on this. This is another bag with different parts to build the chassis. It looks as all parts are well sorted in smaller bags, named with letters to get it easily findable during building. Here are also a few tools, oil and grease included. And here is the front part of the body, made in polycarbonate. It needs to be cut and painted. The rear part will be installed here. It's a cage made in hard plastic. These are the foam inserts. And of course, also the rims are in the box. These are the chassis rails made of steel. And as last the sticker sheet and instruction manual. Now we already can get a closer look to the rear end of the body. The front is made in polycarbonate, but here are the parts for the rear end. And as you can see, these are made in hard plastic. Approximately it comes together like this, and I think this will look awesome when it's finished. But this is it for the moment. I'm looking forward to build and the paint job of this amazing machine. Soon I'll show you the finished truck and make some running videos. So stay tuned to see this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and please give me a thumbs up for this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.